Good day, traders! Markets started July higher after Fed Chair Kevin Warsh struck a softer tone in Sintra. Gold rose 2.1% to $4,089.49 per ounce, rebounding from its lowest level since November. June ISM manufacturing eased to 53.3 from 54, staying above 50, while the prices paid index fell from 82.1 to 73. ADP showed 98,000 jobs added in June versus 122,000 in May, leaving the DXY around 101.40. Oil fell more than 1% as US-Iran talks in Qatar showed progress. Today, markets await the US non-farm payrolls report with forecasts of 114,000 jobs in June versus 172,000 in May, while unemployment is expected to remain at 4.3%. Follow the markets closely, subscribe, and start trading with CPT Markets. Link in our bio.